Hello guys, and the babe nkatsu burger coated peanut. And may use 4 cups of nkatsu peanut. So you wash it na de gunsum as in china count de sichado. Then you just parboil it. Eba be me wur afado. E mana on wura na onye soft. Or brew for the pe na edumen. Then you strain the water, but we no soon. Then you pour it into a tray or anything that can help you dry it. Na they say wiem ma dry and advisi baby come on but my dry fine. So after a drying, we are going to use nutmeg, eggs, and then milk. Egg and me use to sugar, vanilla flavor, baking powder, nafiso, flour, and see maybe the milk bogu yen bowl them. Then you add 2 of the eggs to 8, and then you're going to add sugar and vanilla flavor also to 8. Then we'll whisk it and then add our nutmeg also to it. Sugar me use 3 tablespoons. Into a part be increase. I'm not meant be very sweet. Into me use 3 no. But you can increase it to be more sweet for you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mass Kitchen. Then you then chinka crazy. Bear in mind that you added salt to the boiling of the peanut, so this one just a little. And to mix where you add it to your groundnut or your peanut, and make sure that you mix it very well. Nebibia nkatinya should be coated with the mixture. And see, I've added 1 tablespoon of baking powder to the flour. And to esau and cut a mixture kakra, pour it into a strainer. Then you'll be adding your flour to it and kakra, and then you'll be shaking it and say abend the man kakra. And then they be a bubo one. Then you now separate with your hands. Both and 1 coating or 2 coating. I'm a mere 1 coating. And to 2 coating a today, a demi you will add another mixture of the eggs and the milk no to it. A person I add the be a gumbium. Now send the some a gumbium. Now a double coating. While you are coating it, you should have your oil on fire. Na de in katano idegum. Now as you guma enjoy, you have to be stirring till you realize say oil then or rich no a golden brown. I feel so you have to fry it on a medium heat. Emma nano yet na won't cut no beshel no benen. Enti yen and cut wagon only our coated peanut is ready. Thanks for watching. Follow me on YouTube, Mass Kitchen, and follow my TikTok to Max.